SMMA is an ever-growing business opportunity. Every single business, regardless of where they're at, is going to need social media to grow, and you have to be on the forefront of it. And it is the fastest way online, other than sales and marketing, to make 10K per month is running your own SMMA. And as time goes on, this is going to become even more apparent time and time again. So how can you, yes you, become a part of this market, make money online, and forever change your circumstance and grab that financial freedom that you deserve? Today, I'm going to reveal to you how I generated over $4 million in net revenue inside of my own agency and pocketed right into my checking account, and how you can get a slice of the pie. Hitting your first 10K per month in an SMMA is actually harder than you think. Now, you see all these guys online with the fast cars and all the cool stuff, and they're very flashy on TikTok, but you're looking to sustainably keep 10K per month. And selling lifestyle is not the answer. What I sell is results, foundation, consistency, and having an everlasting business that forever has a piece of the market. And through running my business for 6 years, most agencies will fail within the first 2 years because of client churn, because of lack of systems, lack of people, lack of product market fit, all these things I'm going to be talking to you today in this video. So what are these 4 things that I always talk about, and how does it relate to you having a successful SMMA that actually hits 10K per month? Number 1 is you actually have to know who you're marketing to and what product you're creating. So is your service even product market fit? Like, is this something that people actually want? A lot of the times we are pushing a service out there. You might be a coach or consultant service provider, or you're an agency owner right now, and you're getting objections on the phone. You're getting people who are telling you no. Why is that? Because your product is not product market fit, and you have to fix that before you go to scale. Hitting 10K a month is just proving a concept and proving a path for you to actually be able to grow and build upon that. Number 2 leads me to this simple fact. What does your ecosystem look like? How are you gonna surround your prospects around the internet and forever build a brand that has equity, and also a brand that people know and trust and like? Because people are gonna buy from a salesperson that's you, who they like, trust, and know is an authority. And the only way you're gonna build that is through content, just like this, and also through having a good website, having a good social media page, having a good email list, having good press, getting good awards, being on podcasts, going on Instagram Live and collaborating with people in your space. That is what actually builds brand equity, is people knowing you, liking you, and trusting you. So it's not only just about your offer, it's about, hey, once you send that traffic to your agency, why are they gonna buy from you? Is it because of the results they're seeing? Is it because you have a good podcast? Is it because you've been published in press? Is it because you've been pre-vetted by some bigger names? Why should they trust you? Number 3 is the omnipresence of how you do it. Not just having the trust and likability, but also being on all the platforms. If I'm looking to work with an agency, this is what our clients tell us is, hey, we went to LinkedIn and didn't see your guys' stuff. Hence why we got a LinkedIn team. Hey, we went to Facebook and you're not posting enough on your page, so why are you gonna be able to help us? That's when we start building on our Facebook page. Like, all of these objections that you get on the phone from prospects who wanna work with you are objections that other people are thinking the same thing, hence why they haven't reached out to you about your services. If you're able to have the omnipresence, you're gonna surround the prospect regardless of where they're at inside of the sales process, in your ecosystem, on your list, on a social platform, being a referral. Like, what does that ecosystem look like? Because yes, they're gonna buy your product service if your offer is good, but at the same time, they're not gonna trust and like you enough to stay long-term as a client because they don't see you're building your ecosystem over time. If you're selling clients on marketing services, you better be doing it yourself. And number 4 is, what are the numbers that are actually gonna get you to 10K per month? We could sit here and say, hey, just get 10 clients to pay you $1,000 a month, or just get 4 clients to pay you $2,500 a month, or get 2 clients to pay you $5K a month, or 1 client to pay you $10,000 a month. But what is the real answer? How should you be pricing your services, and how could you acquire clients faster to hit 10K per month? And here's the answer. When I first started, I was willing to put my money where my mouth was, and my time and my services. And I went to local businesses that were home services, barbers, restaurants, shops where I knew if I could just get them 1 customer per month, that it would pay for the whole entire service. Or if I could get higher quantity, that they would like the frequency of what I was doing inside of their business.